The traffic sign recognition, or TSR system, helps to provide the driver with information about the most recently detected speed limit. Using a multi-sensing front camera unit located in front of the inside rearview mirror, the system captures the road sign information and displays the detected signs in the vehicle information display. Vehicles equipped with a navigation system and TSR use a combination of the navigation system data and the live camera recognition to display road sign information. The TSR information is always displayed at the top of the vehicle information display and optionally in the main central area of the display screen. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, then Speed Limit sign to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.